First, chop the wood until it thin and form into main body, and after that design the face of Sakayan very carefully, because if we are going to make it like, fast, big possibility it will break. And after it finish, rub the main body with sandpaper until it turns into smooth. As what my father told me, when he was a kid, Sakayan toy gave him so much joy during his childhood days, and even now. He added, together with his peers, he enjoyed raising this handmade Sakayan toy. When it is finished, form one side of our trigger. This part must be properly well balanced to avoid capsize when it runs. After finish that part, we need to make the seal, like which is made from plastic, and this part is very important because this is the key. Sakayan toy will move faster and can move whatever kinds of wind direction, and that's why it's needed to sew it carefully and avoid cut. Honestly, because of the Sakayan toy, slowly I came to understand the nature of the ocean and learned to survive in any kind of circumstances. To me, it's not just an ordinary Sakayan. It is a unique learning process of islanders to live and survive of this present life.